Designer Shoe Warehouse, DSW, is a leading branded footwear and accessories retailer that offers a wide selection of brand name dress, casual, and athletic footwear and accessories for women, men, and children. With over 400 retail outlets in the U.S. as well as extensive online sales channels, DSW has been growing and seeking to deliver more value to its customers. To do this, DSW has been improving its logistics and distribution operations, including a strategic shift from a seasonal push model to a dynamic store inventory replenishment model.
As the company evolved and our relationships got stronger with our vendors, we became less of a closeout opportunistic company and we started buying in-season merchandise. What that meant was we were able to actually tell our vendors the sizes that we wanted. Once we started to do that, we realized we had a big opportunity to change the way we replenished.
In the past, store inventory was replenished through a seasonal push strategy serviced by a manual case-based cross-dock operation. To reduce lost-in-store sales, DSW created a pilot program that used in-season unit replenishment by shoe size. Initially, this was only for selected fast-moving SKUs. When they initiated the program, demand greatly exceeded expectations. They initially planned to fulfill up to 1 million units the first year, and ended up shipping 4.3 million individual units. As a result, DSW was convinced that unit replenishment could be a very successful and profitable business model, but that warehouse automation was essential to making it happen. DSW quickly concluded that unit sortation represented the best technology for the Columbus Center. Cross-belt sorters offer the high throughput rates for the company's current and future requirements. And cross-belt sorters provide high levels of performance and uptime and could be efficiently fit within a tight existing distribution center footprint. After careful consideration of several sortation solutions, DSW chose the BEUMER cross-belt sortation system.
I think with BEUMER there were a few points that stood out. One, the design of the chutes that they had would best suit the type of merchandise, which is footwear, that we were going to run through the sortation system. The second thing that we felt BEUMER brought to the table was the fact that they had state-of-the-art technology. And not only was it state-of-the-art, but it was also proven.
The BEUMER cross-belt sortation system is a high-accuracy, high-throughput system with extensive use in retail and direct-to-consumer order fulfillment applications. It is engineered to deliver 99.99% sortation accuracy it delivers at Columbus and other distribution operations. BEUMER's sorter at the Columbus Center consists of 3 major sections: the induction lines, the cross-belt sorter, and the discharge chutes. The BEUMER system had to integrate seamlessly into a crowded brownfield building with limited space. It also had to fit within the existing DSW material handling systems and operational processes, and communicate to the existing warehouse management system, or WMS.
We have a 140,000 square foot mezzanine that we really weren't able to utilize very well. The problem with the mezzanine is it's 1,400 feet long and it's only 100 feet wide. It was the best place to put a sorter because it would be out of the way. The challenge was they had to design it to fit on the mezzanine, and they actually did a fantastic job.
When going from zero to full automation, a key challenge is managing all the required changes for the people, processes, and physical equipment in the distribution center. Working together, DSW leveraged BEUMER's technical experience and know-how to efficiently plan and implement the necessary changes.
We had to really design the distribution to make it work. Prior to the sortation system, a lot of the full cases that we were sending to our stores for replenishment cross-docked. So we didn't need to store them in the distribution center. This changed the way we operated.
New racks and conveyors were set up to create a pallet-based wave bank and full case pick module. DSW is able to release pallets of different shoe styles, men's dress, men's casual, and so forth, staged in specific order for decasing and induction on the BEUMER sorter. This creative manual process allows DSW to sort product by department, in-store planogram order, making the in-store stocking process extremely efficient. Conveyors carry the cases to the decasing area, where associates cut open and decase the individual shoes and put them on conveyors to be carried to the BEUMER sorter. Separating these processes allows for efficient labor utilization while leveraging the high-speed BEUMER inductions. 4 automatic induction units are positioned at one end of the sorter with cross-induction capabilities. This allows for the exact induction of shoeboxes in the smallest sorter belt pitch, enabling the highest possible system throughput. The system balances the group of induction lines to ensure product flows on the sorter in wave sequence. BEUMER's state-of-the-art induction technology dynamically adjusts the acceleration and speed of each induction belt based on both the next available sorter tray and the position of the item on the induction line. This significantly improves positioning accuracy on the target tray. Shoeboxes pass through an item recentering system, then to a 5-sided camera scanning system, where each box's SKU UPC is scanned. The scanner passes the barcode information to the sorter control system. Using information received from the WMS, the BEUMER sorter control system dynamically determines the optimized sort destination. The BEUMER system has 250 double-level chutes in 3 rows, located on either side of the sorter, so that products can be discharged to any of the 500 destinations. Each chute provides 2 unique sort destinations via upper and lower chambers. The chutes are Teflon-coated, half-pipe chutes with custom-designed chute end stops. It was critical that the chutes not damage the shoeboxes in any way, since part of the fundamental product and brand appeal of the designer shoes is the pristine condition of the box. And the specially designed chute end stops enhance associate efficiency and improve pack rates. The custom design maximizes the ergonomics associated with clearing the chutes and scanning each box for packing.
If you think about it, the 12 million units that we're going to pull out of this system right here, each one of them comes out one at a time out of these chutes. So we spent a lot of time with warehouse associates and our engineering team to come up with what this looked like, and it's proved to be pretty effective.
Alphanumeric displays and lights inform the associates working at the chutes when an order is ready to be packed out. Associates use a wrist scanner for each shoebox as they pack each case. It's then sealed and delivered via conveyors to the shipping dock. Another example of leveraging a manual process to enable automation is the DSW residuals process. When less than a full case quantity is needed for a wave, the entire case is inducted on the BEUMER sorter. The extra shoeboxes are discharged to a residual area, where they are scanned and placed in bookshelves for temporary storage. When these individual units are needed in a future wave, they are then picked and loaded onto a conveyor heading back to the sorter for the next wave. The entire sortation process is seamlessly managed by the BEUMER Sortation software, or BESS, a highly flexible control system optimized to serve the Columbus Center's operational requirements. It features custom dashboards that provide easy-to-follow graphical readouts on wave status, throughput, chute availability, and capacity.
BEUMER was great in working with us on the control side of things to listen to what our needs were and to actually make some edits with their control system to handle some of the merchandise that other people don't have to deal with.
In the first year of the Columbus Center's ramp up to full operation, the BEUMER system has delivered and even exceeded DSW's expectations. Productivity for size replenishment at the Columbus Center, compared with the manual process the sorter replaced, has improved 120% and costs are down.
People always fear automation. It comes in, they believe it's going to take away jobs. But for us, it actually added jobs because it allowed us to handle significantly more throughput.
The success of the sorter's performance mirrors the successful partnership BEUMER established with DSW and the other consultants and vendors who were part of the team that brought full automation to the Columbus Center.
Lastly, I would say with BEUMER, it was about the people. So at DSW, we have 4 core values that we live by. One is passion, another is collaboration, and then accountability and humility. And as we went through the process and we met more and more BEUMER folks, we realized that they shared those same values and it made us feel quite comfortable with them.